Butterbeer, that super delicious carbonated drink that all kids love. Well, today we are going to be showing you our own copycat version of Harry Potter Butterbeer, which is very simple and very easy to follow. So let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Mara.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins, the channel that gives you some of the best tutorials for your most favorite desserts, drinks, snacks, and more. Plus, we occasionally do some awesome baking challenges, so if you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you do subscribe, tell us in the comments down below, and we'll respond to as many as we can. This butterbeer takes no time at all, and it will blow your mind on how easy it is. So to start off, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, and we're going to put it on medium heat.
So we're just going to stir this often and do this until the sides start to simmer.
Okay, so it's been about, I'd say 3 minutes, and the sides are now beginning to simmer. Okay, to this we're going to add 3 tablespoons of unsalted softened butter, a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, and we're just going to mix this until it's completely combined. Alright, now I just turned the heat off, and we're going to let it cool down for about 10 minutes.
Now we're going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of caramel extract. This just brings in a little bit more flavor to our butterbeer, and it's totally optional. You do not need to do it, but I think it just brings a little bit more flavor, and the caramel is helpful with the butterbeer.
Okay, so we're going to add in a tablespoon of this extract into each of the cups we have here.
And we're going to keep on doing this until there is no extract left in the saucepan. Alright, now we're going to distribute our cream soda into each of the 4 cups. We're going to add a 1/2 cup into each cup.
Also, it's best to not use any colored cream soda, as we want the the natural color of our butterbeer. So as you can see, about 1/2 cup of cream soda doesn't really fill the glass fully. So we're going to add about 1 more 1/2 cups. So each glass will have 1 cup of cream soda inside of it. Okay, so I'm just going to whisk each glass just to make sure that everything is completely combined.
Now to top it off, we're going to add some whipped cream. Alright, let's try our butterbeer to see if we did good and to see if it tastes anything like the real one. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so easy to make, and you don't actually have to go to the wizarding world of Harry Potter just to have this. You can make it in your own kitchen, so I guess it's really worth it. This is our first time making it actually, and I think we're going to be making this a lot more.
Alright, that's it for us this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a thumbs up down below. Click over here for our last video. Click down there for our summer videos. We're going to be posting a lot in that playlist this summer. And click here to subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video. Have a nice day. Bye.